And another note about investigators, right? They don't have to be lawyers. I explain that all the time. However, there is a value to having a lawyer doing an investigation when there are complex legal issues. I've had to come behind multiple HR people and redo their investigations because they didn't have enough understanding of the law. They didn't look deeply enough into the issues. And so then it was like, you just need to start from scratch, which of course is costly and time consuming. So again, you can hire whoever you want to be your investigator. You can use an HR person, but I definitely recommend when it comes to people complaints, being thoughtful of, does your HR person have a strong enough grasp on what it takes to prove discrimination or harassment to be able to be that person. And you'll talk to a lot of HR people who don't want to step into situations that have legal claims because they will admit to you that they don't have that kind of expertise. So just being thoughtful of what's at risk and who are the players when you're deciding who will investigate. And that's normally one of your most important decisions, is deciding who will investigate.